Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you how to use these digital recipe cards that I created and illustrated. As you can see in the beginning, there is a table of contents. When you tap onto each rectangle, it will bring you to the actual page with the divider for that section. So let's say for the first section, which starts on page 3, we want to title it cookie recipe. You just write over it, and then when you tap on it, it will take you to that section, and you can label all the dividers however you want according to how you plan on using these. This PDF comes with 4 dividers, so 4 sections that you can label, and each section has 10 recipe cards. So in total, that is 40 recipes that you can incorporate into this PDF. Another thing I want to include is that when you write or type over the labeled area on the contents page, it will make it trickier for the link to work just because it covers up some of the link. So you will have to tap outside of where the writing is that you placed within that rectangle. So in order to write or type over the recipe card labels, all you have to do is select the marker icon on the upper right hand corner. This is if you were using either your iPhone or an iPad, so Apple products. You can use these with other devices too. The process is just a little bit different, but you can just open the PDF and write over the top. Right here is a section where you can write how many servings a recipe has. And in this area is where you can write down how long it takes to finish the recipe. I included different designs for each card in the lower right hand corner, and these are all hand illustrated by me.